Alright guys, we are making it out today. Obviously had to start it off with coffee, but let me tell you why I picked this specific location. Jump on the bike and I'll talk some more. So I decided to pick that specific rise up because that's where I'm going to hold my wintertime meetup. I'm going to do it on December 28th, which is a Wednesday. If it's too wet, snowy, cold, we will reschedule it for December 31st. I will keep you guys as updated as possible on that. Meet around 12:30. Grab some coffee, chit chat for about an hour, and then depending on what temperature it is, either go someplace, take some photos, or go for a little loop through Davidsonville. So I am happy to say I am finally on the way to a spot to do my first little product drop for you guys. When we get there, I will share not only where the spot is, but I'll put the GPS coordinates and show you guys what I'm dropping. Worked out with that. One of my close friends, she has been watching some of my videos and brought it to my attention that I never really kind of like specified what my channel is, and I have kind of thought, what is this? And I do want to make a video on that and have kind of like a little introduction to me. What is going on? So I feel like my channel has been a lot more towards motorcycles and bicycles with a little bit of family stuff in there. Like, I just want this to be about my life. And yes, two wheels are a huge part of it, but I don't want to feel weird or bad about adding in other videos about other stuff. Sharing my life through videography and photography with you guys, as well as both of those are two things that I'm very interested in, and some videos may just be about those specifically. I am going to work on the next few weeks of getting ideas, brainstorming about them, as well as just for every video that I do from now on, but more specifically about getting kind of an introduction to me personally. Get a video up for you guys to let you know who I specifically am. So that way, if you're new to this channel or you have already been here, we can build a further bond and relationship, and it will be the first video that pops up on my YouTube channel when you decide to click on it. Till then, what's going on? Good, how about you?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
You want to lead, or you want me to?
That's up to you.
Okay.
Actually, you lead, and then I'll have footage of you too. Awesome. Just met up with this very kind dude, Jason, and now we are going to do a few miles together and then split ways, but we'll definitely be meeting up with him again in the future to do some local rides. I should have told him and completely forgot about the meetup ride. so we have made it to the stop for the product drop. It was really fun meeting and ripping it around with Jason. He carried onwards. I stopped here to do the product drop. Almost feel like it's cheating if he watches this video. This is what I had planned and ended up just randomly meeting him on the road. But he does live somewhat down by me. I'm sure that he will definitely be in some videos in the future. But the product giveaway is some Builtwell grips. Got them in 1 inch, and originally I wanted to put these on. Unfortunately, I'll post a picture right here of the fact that the inside diameter of the grip is actually different. I measured these and they measure 7/8. I called Builtwell. They said that these are the correct grips for the inch size. Didn't want to stress trying to stretch them to get them on, so decided to give them to you guys. So I will put the location. Let me double check to make sure that my camera is rolling. So yeah, I am going to run over and put these up there. Gonna make it. Okay, so we are here. The grips are going back there. So if you guys are interested in those, I will put the GPS locations right down here, and you guys can come over here, run up there, and grab you guys some grips. Alright, so we're going to jump back on the bobber and make it home to ride bikes with my son before it gets too dark out. Alright guys, so with this up ahead, I'm going to call this one here. Thank you guys for coming out and joining me. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, of course leave them down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.